going on an adventure today to find some waterfalls. I literally just got off from work 30 minutes ago. We're gonna pick up our friend and his girlfriend. Eye bags for days. Came across a little tiny tree that fell over. I think we could get under it though. Yeah, like if you... Darn. You want to try going under? Let's do it. I'll record. We'll guide your ass.
Sure.
And we'll just tell you to stop.
Get the axe.
Get the axe. Just use it.
Hopefully it doesn't come that close. You're gonna have to kind of drive on the side of the wall there a little bit.
Damn, that's a huge ass ant. Oh, damn.
You got a big booty. Big booty ant.
Ah. Damn, careful with your hands there. Damn. Oh, it's... Oh, you fucking basket.
Back it out and we'll dig out right here.
Oh, my foot. He was so close.
It is like within inches.
We made it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was only the one digging the hole. We had one shovel.
Are we all going down? Oh, I'm staying in the car. Make sure the car is okay. But we went through that little obstacle. I didn't get to record it because we were busy trying to fit through. It was like this close to the roof rack. If we didn't have the roof rack, I think we would have cleared it. But yeah, they're just checking if the road's clear because it was pretty narrow. And we can't back out if the road is blocked. We can't like bust a U. We gotta like back it up uphill. You guys can enjoy this little view. I'm gonna record these two.
Roads.
No road.
Cool.
I'm pretty sure this is our turn, right?
Rock on.
Kind of see it. We see the waterfalls. This is what we climbed down.
Adventure time.
Adventure time! This cute little stream. Right now, we're just trying to get to where we want to go in one of the falls and not slip. And not slip down this rock stream. Hold the dead brain. Ah! Holy shit, that's so cool!
We made it to the waterfall. It's a crazy hike, very steep, very slippery.
Flipped a few times.
It was worth it. We got a whole bunch of mosquito bites. wasn't bad, right?
It was okay. I just looked at the log. I didn't look at the water.
It wasn't that bad.
Scary. We're gonna hike all of that right there. Right there. Huh?
You want me to do the camera?
No, it's okay. Here.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Finish the hike. That was steep. I am out of breath. My leg's gonna hurt tomorrow.
Strapping down the firewood for the camping.
You just loaded up some firewood. Thanks to the fire department.
We got Dexter in the back. We got Johnny coming. Definitely this adventure was fun. It was a success. There's obstacles. And we're tired and hungry.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button.